Hello everyone, this year I am completing 20 years of experience as an entrepreneur in Indian financial market and I am very happy about what I have achieved. I can suggest you two things you should do if you want to succeed in financial market. Number one, you need to have solid network because your network is your net worth. And second, you need to have very good understanding of multi-asset, how commodity, currency, equity, everything is related. If you get a 360-degree perspective, you get a better market participation. Every year, we organize Face2Face Conclave, which gives you an opportunity to network with right people, like-minded people, and also get the right knowledge. This year, we are doing on 10th of March in Goa, in a better property. You will learn multi-asset. At the same time, you will network with quality people as we do every year. So join this year, and if you have already joined earlier, you better come back again.